Hello everyone. Today we're in beautiful downtown Batesville, Arkansas to celebrate our Arkansas PBS Writers Contest winners. With us today we have a Batesville native, one of our first place winners from the first grade, Caden Platt. He'll be sharing a story that he wrote and illustrated called The Great Team vs. Robo. Caden is 7 years old. He enjoys playing basketball, building with Legos, and has a pet fish named Charmy. Now introducing the great Caden Platt.
Hi, my name is Caden and I will be reading a story to you. The Great Team vs. Robo by Caden Platt. It is a nice day in Arkansas until a robot came to Arkansas. The great team didn't know what to do. Then Xander finally came up with an idea. The great team got a giant rope to tie it on Robo. Then Robo fell with a thud. Then the robot was very strong that he braked loose. Then the robot said, "I will crush the whole world." Then Caden got a giant slingshot with a rock in it and shot it in Robo's legs. Then everyone was happy. The end.
Hello, hello.
Hello.
Thank you for sharing your awesome story with us.
Thank you.
So you mentioned the great team. So this is what's also in like the story, right? So like who are these
Right.
people?
These are my cousins over here, and then that's me, that's my sister, and they're not really these characters, they just like to be those characters.
Oh, okay. That's really cool. So you have like a great team in the story, then you also have like a great team at home, right?
Right.
That's awesome, man. So, let me ask you a question. If a robot came down, a giant robot came down right now and attacked Batesville, what would you do?
That's a good question, but in real life, I think I'd actually call the police.
Yeah. That's a pretty smart choice.
And here's my robot.